What's up guys, this is Riley with BizNaz 101 in today's video. We will show you how to start a Shopify store for just $1. You can find a link to the full guide below in the description of this video. To get started creating your Shopify store, click the second link in the description. This will bring you to the Shopify sign-up page. Next, input your email address into the sign-up field like so. Then click Start Free Trial. You will now be asked a series of questions related to your new store. Answer them to the best of your ability, clicking the next button after each. Now select your location from the drop-down, then click Next. For the final step, create your login details using your email address and preferred password. Then click Create Shopify Account. Your store will now be created. You will not be charged for your new Shopify store until your free trial has ended. Using this method, you can access plans as low as $1 a month. Don't forget to check out the link for this guide in the description below. You can contact our team at BizNaz 101 for help with your store. Thank you.